morning, guys. What's going on? Today is October 10th, 2022. Hope all is well. I'm going to a no heat call. It's like 50 degrees out right now. 40, 45 degrees. 45 degrees right now. It's starting to get cool out in New York. So I'm going to a no heat call. That's all it just says right now. So we'll see what it is when I get there. It's the first call of the day. That's it. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Mine was nice. It was nice here in New York. It was like, the high was like 60 each day. Overnight's been cold though, like 40, 39 I think on Friday night. But we'll see what it is when I get there. Let's see what it is. Hello. How are you? I'm here for the heating.
Even I am also new in this house. I can show you where.
Did you call for the heat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Furnace?
Yes.
Yeah.
My name's Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
After you. Go ahead. I got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
How you guys doing? What's going on?
Huh?
What's the problem?
You have to ask the maintenance guy.
Because
We are guest here.
Yeah.
Is there somebody I can ask? I need to know what the issue is.
You can call Guardian Veterinary Hospital.
Let me call.
Yeah, I don't know the guy's number.
Jaine ko Rob na number ape pachi Rob.
I will call you.
Anyway, my name is Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So the heat supposedly won't turn off. Is that the problem?
I have no idea.
I think
so.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll wait.
But he is getting.
So you can call and then you pay. That's why he called.
Yep.
We are guests
Yeah.
from Canada, so we have no clue.
Because you're from Canada or because you're a guest?
We are guests from Canada.
Kidding me, bro? Steam boiler from fucking 1862 probably. Wow. Just disconnect. The homeowner still hasn't called either, right? He hasn't called me.
He's a doctor. He's a busy guy.
No, I know, but we got to get paid, so.
No.
But yeah, I'll get him heating now. I'm gonna start it, but you know, at this point, unbelievable. Said it's throwing off heat. You think? Nightmare. Who put this thermostat on? Because this isn't even working.
I'm just 24 hours old.
Now I know what he's talking about. He was saying that the boiler wouldn't go off. His thermostat's not reading anything. Let me see something. Off the thermostat, the only thermostat is still running. So stopped. It wouldn't stop when I took off the thermostat upstairs. And the customer's complaint is the boiler doesn't shut off. Well, let's see if our wires are touching somewhere to keep it running. Let me run and grab some thermostat wire and then see if, unless this is the original wire that they, I took off TT and I'm getting continuity for my R and W. I mean, I can't do it with two hands, but I should just get the clips. Basically here. Watch. So there's my continuity. I don't know if you can see it. Let me back this up. There. Look. Okay, so I'm getting continuity. Thermostat wire could be backfeeding if there's a broken wire anywhere. But what I'm going to do is run a different wire, not throughout the house, because, like I said, the homeowner hasn't even called us to make payment. So we've never been here before, clearly. I'm going to just grab a short run of wire and put a thermostat here and see if that's going to be our problem. Because then they're going to need to call either us back, and we'll run a new wire for them upstairs, or they could just run it themselves. Let's see. Right now, I'm running a dummy wire, TT. I'm gonna run and grab another thermostat and see if it calls, because the call is that this will not shut off. So the homeowner had the breaker at the panel off. So when I was upstairs and took the R and the W off the thermostat, it kept running. Came down here to the control, took it off, found continuity in the thermostat wire. So somewhere in the wall from here to there, it's broken. But what I'm going to do is make a test wire, hook up a dummy thermostat, and see if this shuts off and on as it should. Let's see what happens. We ran a new wire, took the old thermostat out, which was here, and the wires were backfeeding. So there was a break. I actually found the break. I couldn't really show it when I was with the customer. This is loose because the plaster, this house is so old, the plaster, but the contractor's gonna remount it. He's gonna, I guess, plaster the wall behind it, but it's tight. But that's it. It's just radiant heat on, heat off. That's it. All right, let's get back. That's done. Fucking shit. Okay, wires back. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Simple no heat call. Constant back feeding on the boiler. As soon as I disconnected the thermostat, the boiler kept running. Disconnected TT, it stopped. Reconnected TT with the thermostat disconnected, it started right up again. Independent system, heat only. No aquastat for hot water, that's separate. But thanks again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to a house. It just says no heat. I guess second floor, no heat. It sounds like it's a boiler with hydro heat coils, so hydro air handlers. Let's see what it is when we get there. Thank you. Okay. Here's an aquastat. which was set to off. Now I'm getting heat. My supply in return. Not China. Okay. So we had a no heat call here. And so that's third floor, okay? In my front pocket of my bag, there's a marker. Can I have it, please? Now we're looking for the second floor, and we're gonna mark this one. But we're calling at our thermostat, and we have nothing happening, right? Power's on, looks off, but it's on. Okay. It wasn't heating. The circulators were pumping hot water, but when I jumped R and W, we got the fan to kick on, and now it just shut off. Let me see why. R and W's jumped. And now we're checking for our supply temperature downstairs with thermometer, make sure we're getting 110 degrees. So right now, I took the jumper wire off, R and W. And we have a thermostat up here we have a thermostat up here that's working fine. So I swapped it with the one downstairs because if I'm getting my heating at my board and I jumped out the wires and it kicks on, so it may be a thermostat. I have to wait on the 5-minute delay to see if this kicks on. If the fan kicks on this, we're going to go ahead and diagnose the thermostat and then replace it. Let me see that. 107, so we're good. We're heating. That's that. So the thermostat was actually fine. Just had a bad connection at the R wire. Put it in, and now the system's running properly and pushing out heat. The return comes around, goes there, supplies over that. And I want to check the actual. So I want to check the response from the thermostat to see that the fan goes off when we satisfy, and then we're gonna wait 90 seconds, and then we're gonna go back on. Okay, so 79 fan auto heat. We're gonna just bring it down to 70, let it shut down. It'll click. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait to shut it down and then. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna check to see that the fan, shuts down, because right now it's just on a shutdown delay. And basically the problem was their fan. There it goes. So the call was, I thought it was gonna be like an air-bound system, but no. Your pipes were hot, that air handler and this air handler. The call was for second floor. But the second and the third floor are tied together at the boiler. So the first shot I gave you guys was in there, and I felt both pipes, they were hot. Came in here, both pipes were hot, supply and return. Problem was, that one was running at the thermostat over there, but this one for the second floor, on call, at the thermostat call, it would not run. So I came to the board, jumped it with my little magnet jumpers, because it's such a small board, kicked right on. Okay, most people say it's a bad thermostat. I think I might have said that in the video, but it wasn't. So there was a loose connection at the wire. The R wire was loose. So even though I could jump it at the board, doesn't mean anything, because the board's the board. But if you don't need the wires there to jump the board out. So we jumped, then I pulled the R wire out and I pushed it back in and retightened it. Brought the thermostat back to heat, called for 79, kicked right on. So now I'm gonna have Rolando kick the heat back on and make sure that this fan kicks back on. Thank you. Have you checked your filters lately?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it looks okay. And then there should be a delay. Now it's on, so now we're running. Loose wire will do that. Okay. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I'm probably gonna make I'm probably gonna put this probably was with the other call today on the video. But anyway, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I appreciate everything. Thank you. It was actually one more call. Or another call. That's no heat. See what it is when we get there. It's only like 5 minutes away from me, where I am right now. So we'll go see what it is. See what it is. Is it the front of the house or the back of the house? This is the back, right? How you doing? What's going on?
Sorry. Come here, I'll show you. Sorry, actually, I had a little problem with my heater. I have a guy here. I'll talk to you. I'm sorry. I'll talk to you later. Bye. I know, something weird happened, and I don't know
My
why.
name's Paul. Nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I'm
sorry.
saying, my name's Paul. What up?
Oh, I'm Jeff. I'm sorry.
No, you're on the phone. How you doing?
I'm sorry.
What's going on? Okay, carry on.
Yeah. I always used to do this. Hit it here, and then hit heat.
Yeah.
But now...
Okay, so we're gonna go to off, menu, down. We're gonna go back, we're gonna go down, carrier, service. We're going to go to installation, full installation, next. Let's see what we install.
I don't know what it is. I mean...
Well, let's see, air conditioning and heat, right?
Oh, yeah.
Carrier, Infinity.
Yeah, just open that.
In here?
Yeah, say the door right there. If you open it, the boiler. It's right there. Boiler's right there. I don't know if this has anything to do with it. I just had my hot water tank leak. I just had this replaced just a few days ago. This went bad. I mean, this is the new one, but the other one went bad, started leaking. So I don't know if the guy maybe screwed with something. I don't know.
Okay. Do you have a step stool I could use for your vents? I want to see the amount of heat that's coming out, temperature. Heat coil. Let's let this guy run for a little while, see what happens. It's a beautiful thing. Hydro coil. Boom. So it just needed to be reinstalled. This carrier, I don't know why that happened, but we're kicking on there. Let me get a temperature rise. Fucking old for this shit. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, that's hot. course. 16.3, that's good. Turn this off. Okay, we're golden, child. What temperature do you like? Or off?
Oh, for now, off. I mean, I don't need any heat. That should be warm for the next couple of days.
So now you see you have cool, heat, fan, off, automatic, off.
So why did the heat do that? I mean, why did that button gray out?
It's communicating thermostat. I don't know. It could have lost communication somewhere, but it happens.
Oh, but now it's, I mean, it's fine?
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
the
fine.
heat, fine, right?
Yeah. I went to the boiler, tested your loop, tested your supply. You have 116 point something coming out of your vent. You're golden. All right, guys, that was an easy call. Carrier, Infinity, user interface. For some reason wasn't recognized heat or cooling option. So just went into the carrier service and did a full installation. And you just have to go through the settings. It usually recognizes everything. And that's that. But I know I said this like 5 times today, but thank you for watching. I didn't know I was gonna just have more calls to continue with. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay healthy. Enjoy the weather. Leaves are changing. Take care, guys.